Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn on Slack notifications on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, exit the Slack app and open the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, scroll down and tap Notifications. Now, scroll through the list of the apps and select Slack. On this page, make sure that Allow Notifications is turned on. You can also customize how you want to receive notifications. For example, you can enable notifications on the lock screen, in the notification center, and as a banners. If you want your notifications to stay on the screen until you dismiss them, select persistent under the banner style. Go back. Also, make sure that sounds and badges are enabled so you don't miss any important messages. If available, you can also turn on time-sensitive notifications to receive urgent alerts immediately. For more advanced notification settings, tap Slack Notification Settings. This will open the Slack app where you can customize additional options such as notification sounds, message previews, and notification schedules. Adjust these settings based on your preference to make sure you never miss an important Slack message. And that's how you can turn on Slack notifications on your iPhone. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more iPhone tips and tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.